Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is routine. What is routine? Why routine is important in our life? What are the best timings for making a routine? What mistakes we do while making a routine? And what are things that we should keep in our mind while making a routine? We will discuss all these things in this video. Just stay with us. So, moving to our first question, what is a routine? Routine is basically the sequence of action that we perform on a daily basis. Routine is very important in our life. If you want to be successful, if you have goals in your life, and if you want a healthy brain, then you must have a routine in your life. Note this one sentence, write it down. Most people do not have a psychological problems. They just don't have a routine in their life. If you don't want to get psychological problems, if you don't want to get mental pain, if you want to be successful, if you want to be happy, and if you have goal in your life, then you must have a routine in your life. And moving to our next question, what are best timings for making a routine? After studying the life of successful sportsmen and businessmen, I found out that the best timing for making a routine is from 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. This is best timing for making a routine. Make a rule for yourself. Early to bed and early to rise. If you go to bed late, then there are some psychological problems that we will discuss here that you may get if you go to bed late. So make a rule for yourself, go to bed early and wake up early in the morning. Schedule your things around 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. According to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you should sleep after your night prayer, which is about 1.5 to 2 hours after sunset. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam encouraged his companion not to be involved in any activity after night prayer. The Prophet ﷺ said that one should not sleep before night prayer nor do any activities after it. So, schedule your things around 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. This is the best timing that I can suggest. Now, moving to our next question, disadvantages of going to bed late, disadvantages of sleeping late night. The study shows that those people who go to bed late have mental issues. They have faulty brain function. They face problems like memory loss, hypertension, depression, anxiety. These are problems that is related to your mental health. Now, you will get problems like heart stroke, heart attack, weak immune system if you go to bed late. If you go to bed early, you will have healthy brain, healthy heart, healthy immune system, and your mind will feel relaxed. So, the studies also show that you need to sleep early, and adult human needs sleep for about 7 hours. So, go to bed early and wake up early in the morning. If you wake up early in the morning, you will have a lot of time to schedule your things. You will have a lot of time to focus on your goals and for following your routine. Now, this is the question that we should focus on. Mistakes that we do while making a routine. The first biggest mistake that we people do is that we use mobile early in the morning. Early in the morning we use mobile. Study shows that 80% of people use mobile before brushing their teeth. And using mobile can be such time-consuming activity. As we all use social media, we scroll on social media, we spend hours on scrolling on social media, and we don't even realize the timing. So, the biggest mistake that we people do is that we use mobile early in the morning. I will strongly recommend do not use mobile early in the morning. Now, second mistake that we people do is that we make a strict routine. Let's suppose a person A has a routine. This is a person A's routine, and this is a strict routine basically. He has a routine from 5 to 6%. He will do his prayers. From 6 to 7, he will do his exercise and meditation. From 7 to 8, he will study biology. From 8 to 10, he will study chemistry. Basically, chemistry is my subject and I love spending time on chemistry. So that's why he spent 2 hours on chemistry. So from 8 to 10, he studies chemistry, and from 10 to 11, he studies physics. This is basically a strict routine. Now, we as human cannot control our tomorrow. If that person wake up at 7:30, will he be able to study chemistry from 8 to 10? No. He will not study biology, neither he will be able to study chemistry from 8 to 10. This is because his brain will feel resistance. He installed that strict routine in his brain. Now, I will suggest you guys that make a routine and be flexible with it. If he wakes up at 7:30, he should schedule these things in other timing of the day. So, what I want to say is that make a routine and be flexible with your routine. Do not use mobile early in the morning. Do not make strict routine. Be flexible with your routine. The third mistake that most of people do is that they spend time on unnecessary things. They spend a lot of time on things that are not that much important. How can we avoid these mistakes? Let's move on to our next question. How to make a routine? For making a routine, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to create a task list. Sit down and create your task list. The second thing you need to do is schedule these tasks according to their importance. The task that is most important to you should be on top of your list. So schedule these things according to their importance and according to their timing. Now, be flexible with your routine. For making a routine, create daily task list. Set a sequence of the tasks according to their importance and be flexible with your routine. Keep improving your routine on trial and error basis. The last thing that I want to tell you guys is that stick to your routine, hold your routine for 25 days. And after that 25 days, your routine will hold you. I know it will be hard in the beginning. You will feel resistance, your brain will feel resistance. But when you practice it for 25 days, it will be much easier. So this was all about routine. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our next videos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.